there. For today's reading activity, we are going to be needing our journal. We're going to flip to a clean sheet of paper. Write today's date, 12/4/20. Our title, Persuading Text. Remember, we write the title because if we go through our journal later on and we're trying to figure out what this page was about, our title helps us. Remember, we were focusing on persuading. Okay? Okay, the next thing you're going to need to do is number your paper to 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, on the slide, I have 3 sentences, and I have a little audio, so if you need help reading those sentences, you can go ahead and click on that and play it as many times as you need to. I read each sentence twice. So after you have all this done, you might need to pause this. If you need to pause this, go ahead. And what you're going to do is you're going to listen to each sentence, and you're going to try to figure out whether or not that sentence is persuading or not. If you think the sentence is a persuading sentence, you are going to write yes by the number, okay? But if you listen to the sentence and you're like, that sentence isn't trying to persuade you of anything, you are going to write no by the number, okay? So for example, say number 1, you read the sentence, or you listen to me read the sentence, and you think, no, that doesn't have any of those words that Miss Magoni said are persuading words. That doesn't sound like she's trying to get us to do, believe, buy anything. I don't think that sentence is persuading. Then you would write no. But if I use, maybe I use a persuading word, or you think I'm trying to get you to do, believe, or buy something, then you would write yes. Okay? So all you're going to do is listen to the sentences and put yes, you think it's persuading, or no, you think it's not persuading by the number.